everyone! Welcome to the channel dedicated to sharing the profound insights and wisdom of Andromedan Contactee Alex Collier. If you're new here, you're in for a journey that expands your mind and consciousness, bringing you closer to understanding the messages from the fifth density Andromedan extraterrestrials. For those returning, we're grateful for your continued support. Before we dive into today's enlightening content, we have a small favor to ask. If you find value in the knowledge shared in this video, please consider hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your engagement helps us amplify Alex Collier's message, allowing us to reach a larger audience with these vital messages. We'd also love to hear from you, so please engage with the comments below. Whether it's a question, your thoughts, or even just an emoji for the sake of engagement, every comment counts. We read every single comment, and your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. Additionally, if you'd like to support us further, consider giving a super thanks tip by clicking the heart with the $sign. This small gesture allows us to continue bringing you more of Alex's messages, unfiltered and directly from his lifelong experiences with the Andromedans. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video.
Do the A's, since they are in 5D, need military protection for their planets or starships?
No. No. They have technology which can be used for defensive purposes, but I'm not aware that they use guns or lasers or anything of that nature whatsoever. No. They can shield themselves so that if there's an impending something, it will not get through, and it will not get through. But, you know, up in fifth density, my understanding is when we look at third density, you look at the polarities, okay? Positive light, positive negative, light, darkness. In third density, it's very broad, the polarities. In fourth density, it's much smaller. In fifth density, it's like this. It is an extremely rare occasion where there is conflict regarding polarities. Okay, and I understand that once you get into sixth, it's this. Okay, virtually everything, everyone is walking the middle path, which of course has always been the goal of us here on Earth. The Buddhists talked about it, the Native Americans, you walk the good path, you walk the middle path. So I've not heard of any serious conflict there. The only time that I've heard anything was when the A's first came, at some point in the future, tyranny shows up in fifth density. And many of the systems got together and said, what is this? And what they decided to do was go back in time to find out the origin point of this tyranny that affected them in 5D. And it took them to our solar system. Our solar system. And what caused this to show up, what caused this to manifest, is the soul groups that have fallen back in time to here now, the 200 million plus that are here, were all dramatically enslaved. That's the word he used, dramatically enslaved. And it caused, the sorrow was so great that it caused a reverberation from third into fourth into fifth. Now, it may have gone higher, I don't know. But let's just deal with fifth. The grief was so great within the soul groups that are here. Okay, those who came back in time to right a terrible wrong was so great that it went all the way up into fifth, causing an emotional shift, a frequency shift in fifth, because we're still connected to that frequency. Remember, everything's connected. Everything is frequency. Okay? Everything is song. Everything is music. Everything is energy. And it's connected. Now, how it gets from here to there, I have absolutely no clue. But it did. They felt the shift. And they're here now to do something about it. Many of them are here now to do something about it. Some are here just observing. Some are attending meetings and council hearings and sharing their input and offering advice or experience. All kinds of things are going on here. And when you hear me say and others, contactees, that there are thousands and thousands of starships in our solar system, that is no exaggeration. It's not an exaggeration at all. So, God's the DJ and we're the songs that he's playing. Each one of us is an individual song that's being played. And I'm wondering how JP is thinking about that, but because he's a musician. But if it's all color, light, and sound, then we're all music. We're all playing our tune. We are all songs. Our life and our experiences is our music. It's one continuous song. Next question, please.
Yeah, well, that's another thing that I've been looking at, this whole righting the terrible wrong. What the hell was it? It's transhumanism. That's where it all comes from. And it's like right now we're on the cusp of it. It's the mRNA injections that are being that would then develop into transhuman Borg-like tendencies. And that's where it would become, wouldn't it?
Yeah, and what happens is that this is what I think has happened, is that when they did this, the AI gets hold of not only our DNA, but also our cellular memory. And if you recall Project Blue Brain, where they have found multi-dimensional structures in our brains, going all the way up to 11th density. Well, suppose they were able to pull that from us, the AI, and map it out, and map out ways to get back to those dimensions using those holographic structures in our own brains that are still operating, that are still turned on. Maybe they figured out a way to use that to invade other dimensional realms. It's fascinating, isn't it?
Fascinating.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found it insightful, please like the video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on future updates. If you have any questions relating to today's video, please also leave them below. We read all the comments and take on board what our viewers have to say about Alex Collier's work. Remember, your support helps Alex Collier's knowledge and the messages from the Andromedans reach more people. If you'd like to support the channel even more, you can give us a super thanks tip by clicking the heart icon with a $sign. It really helps our team bring you more content. Also, Be sure to visit alexcollier.org to sign up for our regular email newsletter. It's the best way to stay updated with the latest news, exclusive content, and upcoming live webinars. For the latest insights from Alex Collier, check out alexcollier.live. And if you want to explore over 250 past webinars, head over to alexcollier.tv. Thank you for being a part of this journey and supporting Alex Collier's work. We couldn't do this without you, and we're genuinely grateful for your support. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the vast mysteries of our universe. If you would like to see the Andromedan Contactee Alex Collier live via video stream, we hold a live online seminar every Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. For more information on upcoming live webinars, please visit alexcollier.org.